Click on the link below to get price. The HOMREST Chaise Lounge Chairs set of 2 offers an inviting option for outdoor relaxation. Designed with both comfort and style in mind, these lounge chairs are constructed from PE Rattan Wicker, a material known for its durability and weather resistance. This makes them suitable for various outdoor settings, whether you intend to place them poolside, on a patio, or within a garden. One of the key features of these chaise lounges is their design. The ergonomic shape of each chair provides support for the body, allowing for extended periods of comfortable lounging. The inclusion of adjustable backrests is particularly noteworthy, as it allows users to find their ideal angle for relaxation, whether sitting up with a good book or lying back for a casual sunbath. The materials used in the construction of the HOMREST Chaise Lounges contribute to their longevity. The PE Rattan Wicker is not only aesthetically pleasing but is also designed to withstand the elements. This feature is important for those who wish to leave their furniture outside year-round, as it helps maintain the look and integrity of the chairs over time. Additionally, the frames of the chairs are made of a sturdy metal, providing a solid foundation that supports the overall structure effectively. In terms of maintenance, the chairs are relatively easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth typically suffices to remove dirt or debris that may accumulate during outdoor use. This simplicity can be appealing for individuals who prefer low-maintenance outdoor furniture. When considering usage, the HOMREST Chaise Lounge Chairs are versatile. They can be used alone or together, allowing for numerous seating arrangements depending on the space available. Their neutral color options can blend seamlessly with various outdoor decors, making them suitable for both modern and traditional settings. In conclusion, the HOMREST Chaise Lounge Chairs set of 2 provides a functional and stylish option for outdoor relaxation. With their durable construction, ergonomic design, and ease of maintenance, these lounges could be a fitting addition to any outdoor space. Whether for sunbathing, reading, or simply enjoying the outdoors, they offer a comfortable place to unwind.